Hey guys, this is Navi, and I'd like to introduce you to Computers in Tech. Welcome, and thank you for watching this video. I'd like you to go up to the top of the screen real quick and sign in on how to make a website, because this is going to be your project, and it's worth a lot of your grade. So let's sign in with your email. I told you guys to make a Gmail or a Yahoo account, whatever you prefer, of the business you're making. That's a lot of emails. Hopefully you can see them. I did Blossom Hill Daycare because I worked there, and because daycare is pretty much easy to make a website on. I'm not encouraging that you guys make a daycare website. It's whatever you're into. I just realized that this is the login page. Hold on. I gotta sign up. So yeah, if you want, you have to make your own email account, because when you do make the website, your email is in your URL. So you'll get a long list of whatever businesses you want, of what your business is. Mine, I think, is would be community and education, but because it's a daycare, and if you have a daycare too, that is what your website will be. But you can always look at any of the other templates that are in every other area. But I think if you went along with the template that your business is, you'd be fine. It gives you pretty much everything you need that way. So I'm just going to try out this one, because I don't want to go too in depth here, because I don't want to waste all your guys' time. So it takes a bit to load. I'm sorry, my computer's really slow. But yeah, the great thing about Wix is that it is so easy to navigate through, so easy to edit, gives you everything you need to start your own website. You guys do not have to buy the premium version. I actually prefer you not to. It is not part of your grade. This is a fake business, and I expect you to treat it like a real one, but yet again treat it like it's a fake business. So I'm just gonna put daycare. That's a little aggressive. Let's just keep it daycare. And then I'd put the top, Blossom Hill. You could edit your title to whatever your business is. Blossom Hill Daycare. And see, this is what the front page would look like. Front page is really important, and it gives you pretty much everything you need right there. To edit a text, you would just double click and click edit text. Pretty easy, really modifiable, no problem. Then to navigate through, I don't want you clicking on this bar. So to navigate through, you click on pages, and then you go through the pages, and it takes you right there. And to edit the pages, you would click that little gear button, name it whatever you want. And it pretty much gives you everything, though. I don't think you guys would need to edit the pages, but you can make whatever pages you want. I made a forum page, so I would see how you guys would want to make your pages different. I'll teach you how to make a forum later. So in the About Us, you would explain about your business, what your goal is, what you want, all that stuff, how you would sell it. That's what I was talking about in that thing. Programs, you don't really need. Staff, talk about your staff. Gallery, put pictures. You guys don't have to use Second Life pictures or your own pictures even. If you want to use your own pictures, that's fine with me. But if you don't want to use your own pictures, you can just Google them. I won't grade you on that, because I realize that you don't even have to use Second Life pictures. Oh yeah, to delete them, you would just click on it, click that trash can button, and go ahead. And adding stuff is pretty easy. Pictures, you just go to pictures, add image. To edit the image, you do change image, right click on everything. And you would have these preset pictures here that you can go through and choose whatever you want. Or like you could just go to Google and choose whatever images you want there. The children. And then there I go. I have my child for my website. Daycare. Perfect. It's really not that hard. Or you can do Second Life children. Get your own Second Life pictures. Oh god. I don't know what that one picture is about. I'm sorry. Please don't judge me. But you could get the Second Life children from here, put them into there. I don't care. Get whatever pictures you want. It's your website. Then galleries, like I showed you. I think those would be the slideshows. I think the thing that I showed you before was a grid slideshow. SoundCloud. I don't know if you guys know what SoundCloud is, but you can add videos, audio players, whatever your website is. Sorry, I'm tired. I'm yawning a lot. And then, yeah, it's pretty modifiable. You guys do whatever you please with it. Just put, like on the gallery, you can just take pictures wherever you want. Staff, talk about your staff. This is a fake business, but you can add staff, like who's important in your staff that you want to talk about. They can be people that you know in real life, or like SL. You can talk about them and put them in your fake business as like manager or something. You talk about them and what they do and how they help your community. You can talk in the About Us section just about your business and all that stuff. Oh. No, I don't want to change anything. That's gonna pop up periodically. I'm sorry about that. I don't know what that is about. But yeah, you can just. There's so much things you could do with it. Social. I don't know if you guys would need social exactly because this is a fake business. But if you want to add Facebook comments, you just you can see what people are talking about. You just put that out there. I think it's you just sign in. Oh, it already signed me in. I'm not even signed into Facebook. So please don't add me on Facebook. Yeah, because I don't add people I don't know. But, yeah, you can put whatever you want there. Oh, it's going to ask you to save your website, which I should probably teach you how to do. But you don't need to know how to save your website right now. All you guys really, well, all you have to do to save your website is up there. But, there's an online store that you could add. There's apps that you could add. Like for the forum, I'm going to show you guys how I did the forum. You would just look up the forum for your website. I think I did the second link. I'm not quite sure. You guys can go into more depth on that. But the way you would add that into your website is you would go to the HTML right there and just paste the link they give you and put it on your website. Oh, and the webmaster login. The webmaster login you can put on your website, and let's get rid of that. Oh, that's not what that was supposed to do. It was supposed to go down there. Anyway, webmaster login. If you click on that while not in edit mode, like on your actual published website, all you would need to do is put in the password, and that'll go all the way to the Wix website. All you need to put in the password, and you would have complete editing rights, and you wouldn't. That's disgusting. That's something on my jeans. Sorry. But yeah, that's the quick, easy way to edit your stuff. But I really hope that place isn't a real place, but you can put Google Maps, or I don't know how to put SO Maps on websites. I don't know, but this is a contact place. I would suggest putting in a contact area because it really brings to life your website, makes it real. I want this to seem as real as possible. And I can show you guys how to put the contact form out right now. There's a contact form in apps. Let's get that out of there. And all you have to do is put it out. You can customize the colors to whatever you like. It doesn't have to be that color. HTML is how I did the form. But I should probably show you guys my website and show you what I did. Hold on, it's loading. Herp derp. And you guys have, as you can see, this is the website that I created. I did this mostly because I wanted you guys to see how easy creating a website would be and what a website should look like. But this is what I did for the forum, the HTML thing. I don't think well, it has 3 reviews, but I think you sign in by, there's a register button at the top that you guys can sign in and talk to each other on. I know there's a kid in my class that wants to create a website for Willowdale, but here I did all the stuff. There was the stuff about Crave, which I really thank all of you guys for coming to. That was a great party. It was fun having you guys there, fun with all the music, made a lot of money, got a lot of desks for the class, which was much needed, and it was a great time, and I hope you guys had a great time too. And I hope to have more stuff like that in the future. It doesn't necessarily have to be dances. But I put the assignments, which I have nothing on there yet because I haven't really put any more assignments. The forum, for where you guys can talk to each other too. And the about page where I said what my expectations were and what you should expect, and all about what my computer class is about. And the welcome page is the most important page, in my opinion. It is people's first judgment on what your business and what your website is going to be about. And I am going to be grading mostly on your welcome page, because it's going to give me a feel of whether I actually want to buy this product, because of how good the welcome page is. And you guys need to write the about us and crap. Oh, there's the link at the bottom. If you guys want to know how to make links, all you would have to do, let me just delete that so I can show you by scratch. You would go down to buttons and menus and put there's a lot of buttons there. I suggest you not make PayPal. You can put the PayPal button too, but let's make that smaller to make it really come to life or whatever. But you'd stretch that out, name it to whatever you want. You can link it to web addresses, pages, documents. Please don't give anyone a virus. I mean, I don't even know why I would have to ask this or send anyone to anything bad. Don't send anyone to porn or anything. Why would I have to ask this? I don't know, but I trust you guys. Please don't do that. Click on pages, send them to whatever page you want, send them to whatever website you want that applies to your business. And, oh yeah, contact. And the contact thing, to have people contact you, you have to put in your email so that you can get the messages that they are sending to your email. I will be sending a message to your contact form to see if you guys got it up right. You should be receiving one. If you don't get one, then you know you did the thing wrong. And I don't know if you will be marked down for that or not. But there's so many things you can do. You can make a mobile version of your website. I don't know if you guys want to do that or not, but I did for my website. And FaveCon, you have to upgrade for that. I personally would not upgrade. I don't even know what this is. Contact information. I've never used contact information. You guys can make a mobile website. It'll really bring the thing to life. If you guys do make one, I will look it up on my phone and check it out, because the mobile version is a lot different than the actual website, and you have to put a lot more effort into it. Build your own list, like events list, videos list, whatever. That's easy to do as well. Everything is very easy to modify, so you should have no problem with that. You guys can change the background, the colors, the fonts, to whatever you want. Change the color scheme like I asked. What do you guys want for your color scheme? And see, there's all these really cool custom backgrounds. I actually use some of these for my comic website because, and then change your disclaimer to whatever you want. I put mine to 2013 Navi, or it's 2023 down there. But yeah, it is so easy to create this website. And I want you guys to have fun with it. It's such a fun thing to do, and it's gonna be such a fun project, and I can't wait to see what you guys will come up with. To save your website, you just, where am I going? Oh yeah, to contact me if you guys have any questions. There's all my contact information down there. I have my Skype, I have my email, I have my username. I am at your disposal. Whenever you need me, any questions on anything. Some of you have already contacted me though, which I think is really cool. You can even contact me here. But I think it's really cool that you guys have been contacting me about the website. And you have all these templates that you can use. The templates are really pretty. You save your website, there's a save button in the corner. You just click save, name your website, you're fine. Publishing we will talk about later once we get more into the website creating. But I hope you guys have a nice night. Thank you for watching. Hopefully we'll get more depth in this in class. Hopefully I made this really easy for you. And we can get started on this really soon because I'm really excited. Okay, have a nice night. Bye, see you next class.